A couple of loggers here. Look at the back one. It's a 74 Hayes. I think the insurance here says 1996. It's been working steady. Doing a bit of an off-highway haul here. It's running 10-foot bunks, 10-foot wides. Which I don't think the Americans do that. There it is in relation to the width of the truck. But if it's logging and it's BC, it's always a little bit different, bigger, heavier duty, and all that stuff. This is a 40-year-old truck. Got some body image issues and some Bondo image issues. But it's a Hayes, they keep going. It's still got all its emblems. Safety sticker completely worn off the window up there. Can't even see a date on it. It's at least 10 years old, I'm sure. I wouldn't be too proud to drive it. It's model number 3756. Engine NTA 370. That's a Cummins. It's a well-used, broken and comfy seat. Doesn't even have that old truck smell. Even smells good. Daily driver. Long live the Hayes.